J.R. Smith gets the rebound after he forces his body into the Bulls player.
He gives the ball up to Anthony, who dribbles down court.
Anthony pulls up. It's good! Perfect trajectory. Oh, Carmelo.
To dribble down the court, Carmelo pushes the ball down into the ground. According to Newton's third law, the ball is pushed back up into his hand so that he can maintain control.
According to Newton's first law, the ball goes directly back up to the height that his hand was at, even furthering his control on the ball.
Paul Blart really loved that.
Oh, as did Ben Stiller.
Melo ties the game with only 11 seconds remaining.
The crowd here in MSG is going insane.
Oh boy, let's take a look at this replay.
J.R. Smith uses his elastic potential energy that is created when he squats down and quickly turns it into kinetic energy, propelling him upwards.
Now as he passes it to Carmelo, the speed of the pass is the sum of both the speed that Smith was going and the speed of the push, according to Newton's first law.
Look at Carmelo accelerate down the court here to keep the Bulls unsettled.
As the ball rises, it slows down, and when it falls, the ball gains speed. Even though the ball had air resistance, its horizontal speed was still great. He shot it just in the nick of time.
So now we sure do have a game.
Let's use some magic teleportation to the end here at Madison Square Garden, because we can do that.
We're here in overtime now, and the Knicks are down 2 points with 34 seconds remaining.
Look at Melo collide with the Bulls defender down low. Newton's third law is in effect here, and he pushed on the big man, which made them both fly in opposite directions.
Iman Shumpert saves the ball here. Due to the friction created by his special shoes upon the floor, he's able to stay in bounds and drive baseline.
Wow, what a tip by Chandler, and the ball swung to Steve Novak.
Uh-oh. Looks like Melo wants the ball here again.
Big players make big plays in big situations.
He walks up to the three-point line.
He quickly pulls up.
Again, Carmelo Anthony comes up big in the end.
Another clutch shot by number 7. Here, the angle of his shot must not have been very large, because if he had a larger angle for the projectile motion, then that would have cost time before the buzzer. What an amazing player.
You know, some may call that hogging the ball, but when you make it every time, who can fault you?
Certainly not any of us.
This has been a game for the ages.
Yeah, I don't think anybody that's here tonight will ever forget this game.
And look at the shock on Derrick Rose's face. The former NBA MVP has done all that he can tonight, but when somebody like Carmelo Anthony perfectly obeys the laws of physics, he cannot be stopped.
The play started down low, with Chandler lowering his body in the launch position where EPE is at its greatest, then converting that energy to launch himself into the air using GPE and KPE.
Here, he was able to make the ball accelerate quickly because his hand applied a big force and the ball has a small mass. That's why he was able to pull up and hit that three from downtown.
Yeah, and he needed to be far away because he was being guarded by a 6'9" forward.
Look at how excited the man from Syracuse is. Since he came from the Nuggets, Melo has done a great deal for the Knicks franchise in a short 3 years.
He has 43 of the Knicks' 100 points tonight, an MVP-worthy amount.
Whoa, it looks like there was even a foul there at the end.
Wow. Well, here are Melo's stats. The man is a beast, and will even make Mr. Salcedo proud with his physics-o-bang.